Welcome to Crystal's Lessons Learned from the Animal World. Today's lesson is on the cat. I'm dedicating this video to my cat Tux, who passed on February 3rd, 2026. He was such a good cat and was always smiling. I took care of him almost 14 years. We called him Tuxedo, and I miss him deeply, and I miss his purring. So I would like to share what I've learned from the cat. Cats don't chase approval, they don't over-explain, and they don't give their affection away freely. Cats taught me something many of us struggle to learn. You are allowed to have boundaries and still be loving. Cats know who they are. They don't shrink to make others comfortable. For a long time, I confused kindness with self-reassure. But cats showed me that self-respect is not arrogance, it's clarity. Cats choose when and how they connect. They walk away when something doesn't feel right. Healing taught me this same lesson. Love should feel safe. Affection should be mutual. Connection should never require losing yourself. Cats rest when needed. They don't justify it. Survivors often feel guilty for resting, but cats reminded me that rest isn't laziness, it's restoration. Cats sense shift in energy immediately. They respond before words are spoken. After manipulation, we often doubt our instincts. Cats reminded me to listen to that quiet knowing, the one that doesn't shout but never lies. Cats enjoy companionship, but on their terms. They taught me that independence doesn't mean isolation. It means choosing connection without obligation. So here's what cats taught me. You don't have to explain your boundaries. You don't have to earn rest. You don't have to give access to everyone. You are allowed to be discerning and still loving. Thank you for joining me for Lessons Learned on the Cat. Hope to see you on the next video. Bye for now.